Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video of my channel. Today in this video I am going to make a blog website using WordPress. So we will make a professional blog website using WordPress. I will tell you the easy steps to create a blog website. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started. Here I have opened a WordPress dashboard. I have installed the WordPress in the local server. If you don't know how to install WordPress in your PC, you can watch the video given in I button. So the first step is to create a blog website is to choose a theme. Theme gives look to our website. Now I want to show you the result of the simple theme. So click here visit site. So here is the result of the simple WordPress theme. So to select a theme for blog, let's move on appearance and here select themes. Here you can see option add new theme. Click on it and here you can see a search bar here. Type here blog, press enter and here is the result of the themes related to blog. Okay, you can select the theme of your choice. I like the theme named as Pure Magazine. So where it is, so here it is. I have installed it. Now I simply click on activate. Okay, now theme is activated. Let's check the result. Refresh the page and here you can see the result of new theme. Now this is not looking good. We have to customize this. So to customize this, go on the theme and click here customize. Now here is the game. From here we can make a website of our choice. We can add our content. So let's customize this website. You can see the name of the website named as coding. So first edit this. We can write here tech blogs. Okay. You can also write the tagline of your website like I am writing here find latest tech news. Okay, now here it is find latest tech news. You can add tagline of your choice. You can also select a logo for your website. I quickly add this, select here. Okay, I will remove this. I want you to show only how it is working. So skip cropping, logo, here is the logo. Okay, so this is the random image. You can make the logo for your website. This will give a great look to your website. Now I remove this because I don't need this. Okay, now here you can see select the site icon. Site icon is this which appear in the tab of your browser. Like here is appearing a logo of localhost. So we can select a site icon like I select this. Okay, skip cropping. Now you can see our site icon has been updated. Okay, you can see its result. So I keep this site icon here. Now back to the main menu and edit the other options. So the second option is top bar setting. Top bar setting is something this, like here date is appearing. So show top bar section, we can switch off this. If you don't need this, you can turn off this. Okay, now you can see this is not appearing here, but we need this. So turn on this and here is date time section, show date. So date is good, so we keep this date and here is the option show social icons in top bar. This is the great. Turn on this and follow us. Okay, we can edit this text but I will keep this. So you can see here show Facebook icon. Turn on this and this Facebook logo is appearing here. You can add the link of your Facebook page here. Similarly show Twitter icon here, Insta icon here and LinkedIn. Okay, now our top bar is looking good, very professional. Like size of logo, images, all are good. So you can add the links of your social media platforms. So now again move to the main menu and select this trending news setting. You can show the trending news to the users. So here you can edit the text, but we will keep this. And you can select the category of your trending news. Whichever category you select here, trending news section will show the news related to that category. So we will edit this later when we make categories and post. For now, ignore this. Okay, now next option is front page setting. So this is to change our layout. You can change the layout of your front page, and also you can specify your home page to only one category from here. The category you select here, the news related to that category will appear on the home page only. So keep this setting as it is. Now next is header setting. So basically this is the layout, like social icons are appearing here. We can change the layout, but I think this layout is looking good, so keep this as it is. Now the next option is menu sidebar setting. Show menu sidebar. Okay, so turn on this to see the result. Okay, you can see here menu, but we don't need this, so turn off. Let's take a look at the next option, which is footer setting. We can add the text which we want to appear in footer, like thanks for visiting. Okay, you can see the result here. You can add the text of your choice. Now move towards the next option, which is preloader setting. Preloader is something which appears before loading the website. Like I want you to show this, refresh this is preloader. Okay, so we will keep turn on this and move to the next option. Next option is blog setting. Click on it, and here we can change the settings related to post, like here show date is appearing here. If we turn off this, the date will no longer remain here. Okay, but we will turn on this. And the next option is a menu. So create a new menu and select the menu name like main. Next, we can add the items from here, and we can select the pages, post and categories from here. So we will edit this later. For now, ignore this, and all other options are not necessary to check, so ignore all of these. Now click on the publish and check the results. So here is the result, like top bar and our site title and tagline. So now we have to add a post and pages, like how we can write a blog for our website. So for this, go to dashboard and open the post here. Click on the add new post. So here you can write the title of your blog, like I write here benefits of chat GPT. Okay, now if we want to add image, we can select the image blog here. If we want to write about it, we can select the paragraph, and if we want to add more heading here, we can select the heading. And if we want to add more than one or two images, we can select the gallery. And if we want to make a list, we can select this option, and many more options here. You can explore all of these. So here you can write about the chat GPT, like I write random here. So publish this. Okay, you can add the tags related to the blog and visibility, and assign a category. Okay, one more thing, you can select a category from here. This category, add new category, like here I add technology. Okay, so add new category. Now technology is added. This blog is added under the technology category. Publish this, view post. We can check our blog. Okay, this is. So here you can add images to make your blog attractive. Here you can see its category. Okay, now go on the main page. So you can see our new post uploaded here, and we can also select the image for our post. So for this, go to the post section, and here you can see the featured image. Okay, so set featured image, upload files, and I want to select. Okay, I randomly select this. Okay, So update this. Now I want you to see the result here. So now you can see our images appearing here. You can see the hover effect. In this way you can add a post and its cover photo. Now I want to show you how you can add the trending news section and a menu section. Now go to trending news settings, select, and here you can select a category of your choice. I select technology here. So this will appear a blogs related to technology. Okay, keep this setting. Now go to the menu and edit the menu we have created, main. So add items from here, add a category technology. Okay, also add a post. Okay, to show you. Okay, now check the home page, refresh the page. It is not appearing. So this menu section is not appearing here. Let me check the setting. So we have to, okay, we have to make this primary. Yes, now it is appearing. Here you can go to the technology category. Okay, like this. Your blog is here, and from here you can go to the hello world. So in this way you can create a blog website using WordPress. It is very easy to create a website using WordPress. So practice this on your PC and make beautiful websites. If you face any difficulty while making a website, you can write it in the comment. I will try to solve your problem. Also tell me the topics to make video on. Subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you next time.